Hello, hello my lovely ladies, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to swatch my new Lisa Eldridge lippies. I have 2 velvet lipsticks and I have 1 lip gloss. I'm also at the end going to swatch the velvet lipsticks I already have in my collection, so you can make a decision if you want to pick them up, yes or no. They are going really fast. I think the lip glosses are already gone. There are a few lip kits still available, but you have to be quick. The lipsticks a few as well, but you really have to be quick. If this is your first time here, then hi, welcome. My name is AnneChris and on my channel I want to inspire you to use a little bit of color every day. So I create colorful looks, but I always try to keep them a little bit more elegant and a little bit more sophisticated. I also try out a lot of new makeup, especially from high-end and indie brands, so I can tell you what is really worth your time and money. If this sounds interesting to you, then please consider subscribing. I upload 2 to 3 times a week, so there's always something fun to watch. And let's jump into the video now, because I really want to get something on my lips. I'm looking really ghost-like. Okay, I got this beautiful blue velvet pouch. It's like a midnight blue. And I got, as I said, 3 products in here. I got the Beauty lip gloss. I got the Velvet Dragon lipstick and the Velvet Muse lipstick. The Velvet Dragon is new. I also wanted to get the Velvet Affair, but somehow it jumped out of my cart when I wanted to order it. Very mean. The lipsticks retail for £26 and the lip glosses for £18, and there are a few like pre-made kits that also contain lip pencils, but you can't buy the lip pencils separately. I think she will do that, but it's not here yet. You can also create your own lip kit and then you can decide which pouch you want to get your lipsticks in. So I chose this one because I think it's so luxe. I love midnight blue, so that is why I chose this. As I said at the beginning, I am going to swatch the new lip products I have in front of me, and then I'm going to, at the end, swatch the ones I already have, so you can make a decision if you want to get them, yes or no. These products always come very securely packaged. They have a lot of like that flue paper in there, and it's really very safely packaged. It has a lot of that paper in the box, and it also has a lot of that paper inside this one. Inside the pouch if you order it with a pouch, and they're in these little boxes. They have a magnetic closure, which is also really cool. I wanted to get the Beauty because I was debating if I wanted to get the lipstick, but I was like, you know what, I'm going to start with the lip gloss and then see if I want to get it later on as a lipstick or next year, because it's probably going to be sold out in a few weeks and then I'll just have to wait until next year. I really hope she will restock a little bit quicker than that, but yeah, you know, she's, I think, a one-woman show. It's an indie brand, so you'll... Alright, I'm going to start off with this. You can see this is the color. It's a stunning, beautiful color. At the top you have this beautiful matte gold packaging, and you have her logo on the top, and on the bottom you can see the shade name. I'm going to try it on my lips. I have watched her video and she said that there are some nourishing, like beautiful oils in there to really nurture your lips. So I'm really curious, and I think it's a good thing to start with this. Oh wow, it's really opaque as well. Maybe I'm going to zoom you in a little bit. Okay, first impression, it's very nourishing. It glides, it doesn't stick. My lips don't stick together, so that is really nice. It is tacky. I think that you can maybe, you know, I put a lot of product on also, but yeah, it's a very stunning color though. It's not really going with my look at the moment. I am wearing the Juvia's Tribe palette, so yeah, it's a bit different. This is a very beautiful shade. I'm really curious to know what will happen if it settles down a little bit and it wears down a little. But I will have to come back to you about that. I'm going to try the lipsticks now. Wow, what is really nice is that I can still feel that like balmy feel. It's like my lips are really nourished now. So that is really nice. Okay, that was Beauty. And now I'm going over into Velvet Muse. And Velvet Muse is a shade that sold out last year, like really quickly. And I really wanted to get this, so this was the first thing I put in my cart when the new lipsticks went up and it restocked. I'm not going to use a pencil, I'm just going to use it like this and see if I need to, you know, use pencil to clean things up. I maybe should have used a bit of a pencil because it didn't do a great job, but do look at this color. It is so stunning. I think this one is still available on her website, so do check it out. But I don't really know for sure. So this is a very beautiful color. I really am glad I got this. All right, I'm going to try Velvet Dragon next. This is a new shade for her. It's like a very rusty orangey red, and I think it is so beautiful. I will use a pencil with this one because it will be a mess. It won't be pretty. I'm going to use a lip liner from NYX. This is the Peach Don't Kill Me vibe. It's in the NYX Suede liners. Okay, wow. Wow, this is such a cool color for fall. Oh my god. And this like, I said it. And this Peach Don't Kill Me Babe, it's a really nice combo. I'm going to clean it up a little. My god, this one is sold out. I'm so sorry. This one is sold out, but this is like the perfect lip for fall. Perfect for fall. And probably also for winter, because the fall winter trend is like red lipsticks, matte lipsticks, but bright red. So you can wear like the traditional red, but also the bright red was seen all over the runway. So look at me being a runway model. Well, not exactly, you know, not exactly. The next one I'm going to swatch is one of my favorites. This is the Velvet Fawn. It's this shade. It's very much into that color family of Velvet Muse. I will also swatch them on my arm or on my hand. You know, like the color family, so I can show you what the difference is. But I really wanted to do the swatches first. And as you can see, this is way lighter and less pink than Velvet Muse, so I'm really glad I have both of them. This is one of my favorites as well, especially for fall. It is so elegant, so sophisticated. If I wear this to work, like in this matte color, beautiful. Next up is Velvet Morning. As you can see, it looks a little bit like Velvet Dragon. It's just a little bit more red, but as I said, I'm going to swatch them on my hands as well, all side by side, so I can show you. I am going to use the same lip liner as I did for Velvet Dragon. Okay, this is a Velvet Morning. Beautiful as well, very bright. I think it's even brighter than Velvet Dragon, but I will swatch and we will see. For the other two shades that are really more red, I am going to use my MAC Ruby Woo pencil. I'm going to start with Velvet Morning. This is like a true red. It almost is the same color as Ruby Woo, I would imagine. I'm going to clean it up a little bit. It's always so funny to me that at the end of like lip swatch videos, it looks like you got fillers in like, you know, a few minutes time, but it's because I'm overlining and stuff like that. So yeah, but the color is really stunning. It's a totally true red. It's a pink blue toned red. Very stunning. I think it is very similar to Ruby Woo. I'm going to find it in my collection. I'm going to swatch it next to it. But I think that the formula is a little bit more comfortable, so that is, you know, a toss up. That's really totally up to you. I'm going to swatch the last one, which is Velvet Jazz. And then for the last one, this is Velvet Jazz, and this is almost, it looks almost like deep dark velvet. It is such a stunning bullet. This is a very deep color. As you can see, very deep, very vampy, very full. I love this lip color. I don't wear it a lot, but I should, because I think it's so cool. It's almost like a deep berry. Okay, ladies, those were the lip swatches. I'm going to swatch all the colors that are like related, like in the family, together, also together with the Ruby Woo, so you can see how that, what was it? Velvet Morning? Velvet Ribbon, I believe, is the same as Ruby Woo. Yeah, Velvet Ribbon. Alright, I'm going to start off with the pinker shades. I'm going to put the lip gloss on. Alright, these are the swatches for lip gloss in the shade Beauty. This is the Velvet Fawn lipstick, and this is the Velvet Muse lipstick. And as you can see, this is a very more light, and it's also more brown toned than the Velvet Muse. Velvet Muse is a little bit darker and it has way more pink in there, and I think they both look really stunning. Okay, and then for the reds, this is a Velvet Dragon, and as you can see it's a lot more orange and a lot less bright than Velvet Morning. Then next to Velvet Morning I have Velvet Ribbon, and next to Velvet Ribbon I have swatched Ruby Woo, and as you can see it's practically the same color. It's just, I feel that Velvet Ribbon is a little bit more pink and more blue toned even than Ruby Woo. Ruby Woo was way more tuggy and the formula is way drier. And the last one is Velvet Jazz, the one I am wearing on my face at the moment. Okay ladies, that was it for me for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was a little helpful to you. Let me know down below if you have any offer lipsticks already or if you're planning to pick some up. Give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw, and please subscribe if you haven't already, because I would love to see you in my next one. Bye!